Children, we are going to learn about the menstruations today. In this menstruation chapter, you're going to learn about the triangle, rectangle, square, and rhombus. Before to start a chapter, you can see in the book there is some of the uh, formula is given here. So that is the triangle is a plus b, a, b, and c is here. So we have a, b, and c, the three sides of the triangle. This is called the sides. Okay, these are the a is a side, b is a side, and c is a side. Okay, the perimeter of triangle, so we'll denote it a plus b plus c. As well as in the rectangle we can see here that the 2 into length plus breadth, the two sides are equal. In the rectangle, two sides are equal. Okay, the two sides are equal, the length, breadth, and breadth, this sides is equal, length and length, these sides are equal. So according to that, the formula will be set for this is perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth units. So this formula we will see afterwards according to the question. Now come to the square. You can see here that all the sides are equal, all the four the sides are equal. So we can set the formula for this square is the perimeter of square will be 4a. So that means 4 side into a. So the what side is there, so that will be not mentioned here according to the formula, that is a 4a units. Okay, rhombus is for a rhombus of each side measuring a units. So that means rhombus is as well as the similar with the square, so but the formations of the rhombus is different. So for this, the set of the formula will be the perimeter equal to 4 into sides. Okay, now we'll solve the first question from this exercise, that is find the perimeter of a triangle ABC having sides of length AB equal to 7 cm, BC equal to 5 cm, and AC equal to 8.5 cm. So we have here the units is here. Okay, so AB, BC, and AC. So according to the formula of the perimeter of triangle as it is given in the question that find the perimeter of triangle, then we can have to set it a plus b plus c. So a is 5, b is 7, and c is 8.5. So first we'll add this which is not in the decimal. So we have here 12, 5 plus 7 is a 12, and after that we can see here that the one number from 12.5 and 8.5, from these two numbers one of the number is in decimal. Okay, so as we know that after the decimal, if the 0 is there, there is no value. So because of this decimal, we have to put a 0 after 12. Okay, so 12.00, 8.50. So the decimal will be straight. Whenever you are doing some kind of sums or solving subtraction and addition, so we have to follow this rule that the decimal should be in the same line. So we can add now 0, 5, decimal in the straight line, 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 plus 1 is 20. So the answer will be 20.5 centimeter. Now we'll do the next question, that is question number 2. That is a similar question from the question number 1. A rectangle of length. Okay, rectangle means what? We have two sides are equal, right? Two sides are equal, this and this one, this one. So we have A and this one is B. So we can write B and A. So by writing A letter and B letter, we come to know that these sides are equal. Okay, if it is like 12 centimeters length and breadth is 7.5 centimeters, so we can make it 12 centimeter. This is a 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and this one is 7.5 centimeter. So you can check it according to the perimeter of rectangle. I'll just write it shortcut, perimeter of rectangle. Okay, perimeter rectangle will be 2 into length plus breadth. So the length will be 12 and breadth will be 7.5. As you know that, as I said in the earlier question, that first you have to change this one into decimal, that means 12.00, 7.50. so we'll get a value 791. So 219.5. So the value will be 2 5 are 10, 2 9 are 18 plus 1, 18 plus 1 19, answer remain 1, 2 2 3, 39 is your answer. Similarly, we'll do the next question, that is based in the square form. Okay, that is in the square form. Square, we know that all sides are equal, okay. So if the all sides is equal, we have one side is given here 4.5 centimeters. So by this we come to know that all the sides are 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so the perimeter formula is perimeter of square will be 4a. So the sides v is given in the question, that is 4.5. So we'll just multiply it. 4 20, 4 16 17 is your answer. Okay, 17 centimeter. Now come to the rhombus. Rhombus have the same format as we know in the square. Okay, so the square have a straight line, but the rhombus have a diamond shape. So just follow that, but the sides are same. The sides are same. Whatever the length of the sides will be, that will be same. Okay, and the formula will also be the same for the perimeter of rhombus, because I'll just write shortcut for this. 4 into a, so that means 4 into 6.3. The answer will be 4 3 12 1, 6 4 24 25. The answer will be 25.2 centimeter. And so question number 2 is a rectangle field has perimeter 186 meter and breadth is 25 meter. So the perimeter is given here. Perimeter is already given of rectangle is 186 meter and breadth is 535 meter. So we know that perimeter of rectangle, I'll just write the short words. Okay, so check it, that one. Perimeter rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. So as it is given, the perimeter rectangle is 186. Length we have to find, so we'll just keep it as usual. Breadth will write 35. So we have 186 equal to 2l plus 70. So 2l equal to, we'll just shift it because we have to find the 2l, right? So the value which we have to take out the answer, that we have to write in the left side. So the 2l equal to 186 minus 70. 180 minus 70 will be 70. 186 minus 70 will be 6. 8 9 18 minus 7, 1. Here will be 1 and here will be 1. So around 116 divided by 2. So the value will be direct, you can divide it here. 2 5 10, 2 8 16. The length equal to 58. Question number 3 also same. Find the length of each side of a square plot having perimeter 172 meter is there. So already the perimeter, the value is given of the square. Perimeter of square will be is given 172 meter. So as we know, the formula of this perimeter of square is 4a. So we can write it, perimeter square is already given in the question, so we'll just write it 172 meter equal to 4a. So as I said, that the value which we have to take out, we have to write in the left side. So we'll just divide it 172 by a. So 4 4 the 16, 4 3 12. The answer will be a equal to 43 centimeter meter. Now you can see question number 4. Question number 4 says that a rectangular plot is 125 meter long. The rectangular plot is given 125 meter long. Okay, and the broad is meter long, and the broad equal to 72 meter. Okay, now you can see that you have to find the fencing, the cost of fencing. It equal to rupees 27 per meter. Okay, now as we are doing the question of rectangular, so we'll follow the formula 2 into length plus breadth. The rectangular, so perimeter of rectangle will be 2 into length plus breadth. So we have 2 into 125 plus 72. Now we can see here that 2 1 length plus breadth, so we'll add it 125 plus 72. The value will bring here 197. So 197 will multiply with the 2, then will come here 394. Okay, so now the perimeter of rectangle came 394. So this particular space will be fence. The cost of fencing, you have to fence this area. The rupees is given here 27 per meter, so the per meter is 27. So according to the questions, all if you make the fencing, if you make the fencing of all the area, then what the value will come total. So multiply this 27 into 394, the value will be 10693 answer. Now the question number 5 says that we have to find the circumference of the circumference of the circle, right? So circumference of the circle will be the formula 2 pi r. Okay, the circumference of the circle, the formula is 2 pi r. So according to the questions, we have the values. The radius is given 17.5 centimeter, and we know the pi's value is 22/7, which is already given in the question. So therefore, if you find the circumference of the circle, then 2 into 22/7 into 17.5. So the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So we can put the values of the formula now. 2 into 22/7, pi x is 22/7, and the r is 17.5. So after cancelling this 17.5 by 2, we got it 2.5, because 7 and 7 to 14, 3 remain in hand. 17 minus 14 is 35, 7 5 to 35. Okay, so we got 2.5. So if the remaining part you will multiply it, then come 2 into 22, that is 44, 2.5. The final answer will be 110.